like to address my question to Mystica, and my favorite si Angelica Jones and her mother, who I loved once.
Bakit once? Hindi mo na sila love?
Hindi ko kasi, parang may hindi ako maintindihan.
Ano? Parang feeling mo, totoo o hindi?
No, why do they allow themselves to be treated that way? Each of them, parang is a big fraud.
Okay. That's how you feel.
Yeah, how you feel. Why are they allowing themselves to be treated that way? Am I right kung i-define ko ang big fraud as isang malaking kalokohan?
Totoo, nagkakamali ako. Minsan sinasadya ko na kasi doon na gusto ng tao sa akin. Kasi komedya ko.
Parang sa Jimmy Santos noon.
Bilang komedyante, kailangan magmukha kang tanga. I mean, di ba? Walang komedyante na seryoso eh.
Pero napakaganda mo para itrato ka nilang ganun. So I pity your mom also for allowing you to be treated that way.
Baka sabi kasi nga ni Jimmy, they're often misunderstood, tita. So people, they don't have naman that much, I think, power to
But they have
control
long
people.
been in the business to change, at least, for the better.
Oo. But hindi naman, tita, in fairness, hindi naman masagwa yung suot ni Mami. Madesente naman ang suot ni Angelica rin. So,
I'm referring, halimbawa, I'm referring to Mystica.
okay.
Why does she dresses that way?
Kasi, why Mystica? Why? Because that's the image you really wanted to
Kasi,
project?
of course, we're in the show business po. So, may sarili-sarili po tayong image, may sarili-sarili pong concept. But doesn't mean, if you're making a role, yun na yung pagkatao mo eh, di ba? Katulad ng isang nasa movie ka, ikaw ay isang criminal doon sa movie. Would that mean that ikaw talaga criminal sa totoong buhay?
No, of course not.
No, pero
just
yung
doing
yun
an
role
image,
sa
you're just
pelikula.
Opo. So, since I'm an artist po, so yung image ko po as Mystica,
Yan
is
lang,
completely an image.
But I have seen her,
But that's not
I have
me.
seen her nang hindi napakaganda ni Mystica kung hindi ganyan ang suot niya.
I should see you like that.
Gandang-ganda ako talaga.
Anyway,
So,
Tita,
Thank you so
sorry.
much. Tita, I cannot really blame you kasi po, of course, nalaman na nila na ganyan po talaga yung as Mystica po, di ba? Pero from now on, Tita, you were right. There's always a time to change.
May asawa na siya ngayon, baka she will change na.
Makita niyo naman po na nag-mellow down po ako. She's right po.
Right. Okay,
And
hold
I'm
on.
so glad po.
You know,
that
mga
you're telling me
kaibigan-
Because that's where I wanna go po.
Ayan.
Talaga, sa
Oh,
totoo
nice
lang. So,
naman.
thank you, Tita, for reminding me.
But she's a good dancer. And mga kaibigan, hihingan ko lang ng tigi-isang closing or goodbye na statement ang bawat isa sa ating mga naging panauhin. Angelica?
Yes. Ako, Ate Shawi, ang masasabi ko, sa dami kong pinagdaan ng controversial sa buhay ko, marami ako natutunan. Mas naging more matured ako. Mas naging malapit ako sa Diyos. Hindi ako bumibitaw sa Kanya.
Yun ang importante. Mami Beth, kayo po.
Masasabi ko lang, talagang pinasok mo to, panindigan mo, pero isa lang ang magiging kakampi mo, ang nasa itaas.
Mystica, I'm
Yes.
happy for
Thank
your
you
new
po.
life and your
Thank
new
you.
image. But I hope you don't stop dancing.
No, of course not po. Ito po lang pong masasabi ko, kundi po dahil, kung hindi po dahil sa tulong din na marami ng press, wala na po ako dito ngayon in 5 years.
Totoo yun, totoo
Kaya
yun.
napakalaking bagay po yun sa akin.
Right. Before you say anything, Madam Auring, maraming salamat po for being a good sport. Kasi kahit saan po kayo gumigest, nakakapagpasaya po kayo. Kahit po minsan kayo po napapagtawanan. Salamat po, Madam. Thank you po. Ano pong masasabi
Alam mo,
niyo?
masasabi ko lang, salamat sa lahat ng press at punong-puno ako ng controversial at pinatulan nyo ang katangahan ko.
Actually, may truth to that. The mere fact na patulan mo, pati yung pagtutupis siya sa Boracay, may dating siya. Ang dami naman nakatupis na makapal, siya lang ang nasusulat. Okay.
Sa
Diba?
edad kong 16, may karapatan pa ako magtupis. O kaya, sa susunod
Kahit
naman talaga
sino
naman.
may karapatang magtupis, kahit si Yaya Luring. Tandaan nyo yan. Sarah, thank you,
Yes,
Sarah, for guesting
thank you
on the
po.
show. Yes.
Yung kay Jay Manalo, wala na yun.
Wala na yon. Tsaka it
Tama
wasn't
na.
true.
Tapos na yun. Tapos yung kay Mahal, wala
Oh,
din yun.
para nyo ng awa. Tama na yun.
Yes.
Right. Thank
Diba?
you, Sarah.
Thank you
and you
po.
really look like a hot babe.
Thank you.
And Gwen.
Yes,
Pretty Gwen.
First of all, I would like to thank you for inviting me here.
Thank you for making us
At
pagbigyan.
syempre po, sa mga tao po dito, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta.
Thank you, Miss Chick Ramos, Jimmy Navarro. Thank you, MJ.
Thank you, MJ.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Ate
MJ.
Mercy
Love you,
Hardy,
love
Italia
you.
Tiseri, of course. Maraming
Ate,
salamat.
pero si Archie.
You join me naman. Ano si
Love ko, si
Archie?
Archie, oh.
Hi, Archie. Please join me. Kakanta po kami. Maraming salamat, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the episode. At nakilala nyo kahit paano ng konti pa ang mga controversial nating guests. Saan ba pasok ito? Wala pa ba? Wala pa daw sa Rayuma, sabi niya sa akin, mga kaibigan. Dahil sa Gayuma. I was strong and I learned how to get along, and now you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid law. I should have made you leave in peace. I don't for just 1 second. I'd you be back